guys remember me from part 1, right? We took the Dominican dog from the Dominican Republic. Now we're here in the United States, in New Jersey. We're gonna put an American dog to the test, right? Which is Chase. Chase, give me paw. Give me paw. Good boy. Sit. Sit. You see? These dogs listen and everything. Now, last time I checked, they also drank water from here. Now, you guys seen part 1 that the Dominican dog chose the beer over the water. We're gonna put this dog to the test. You guys ready? Come on, let's go. This is the beer, and this is the water. Chase!
Come over here.
Oh!
Water.
Water! Water! Why didn't it drink beer, huh? I don't know. Maybe because it's not a Dominican dog. You see? That's why I tell you guys I gotta bring a dog from the Dominican Republic to here. He doesn't even pay attention to the beer. Now we take it away. Chase. No le gusta, no le gusta, no le gusta, no le gusta, no vuelve cerveza. Espérate. Como que le está gustando. Espérate. Chase. Esta agua sabe rara. Coño. No sé qué decirte, mi hermano. Pero mira, vamos a terminar aquí porque ya sabemos lo que hay. Los perros americanos no beben cerveza. Bye.